Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Meralco Bolts ang Converge Fiber Sixers 105-99. Top performer si Chris Banchero sa kanyang 21 points, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. Lofton 30 points, 8 rebounds. Maliksi 20 points, 7 rebounds. Bong Quinto 13 points, 1 assist. Chris Newsome 11 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists. Para naman sa Converge, Justin Arana 25 points, 11 rebounds. Stockton 21 points, 3 rebounds. Wilson 13 points, 11 rebounds, 6 assists. Balanza 11 points, 1 assist. Winston 10 points, 3 rebounds. Panalo naman ng San Miguel Bearmen kontra sa TNT Trupangiga 98-93. Top performer naman si CJ Perez matapos magtala ng 20 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals. Ivan Asca 25 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals. Terence Romeo 14 points, 3 assists. Tautoa 9 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. Trolliano 4 points, 5 rebounds. Para naman sa TNT Trupangiga, Calvin Oftana 27 points, 13 rebounds. Hollis Jefferson 26 points, 15 rebounds, 5 assists. Castro 12 points, 5 assists. Cobontin 11 points, 1 assist. Montalvo 7 points, 3 rebounds, 6 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang PBA game recap result. December 16, 2023, tinalo ng Rain or Shine ang Magnolia Chicken Templados 113-110. Top performer si Demetrius Tridwell sa kanyang 30 points, 16 rebounds, 9 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 15.6 assists si Karakot. Ket Dato 14 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists. Santillan 11 points, 2 assists. Norwood 9 points, 1 assist. Para naman sa Magnolia Hotshots, Paul 22 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Tyler Bay 30 points, 11 rebounds, 4 steals, 2 blocks. Baroka 20.7 assists. Halalon 13 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists. James Lapot 7 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. December 15, 2023, wagi ang TNT Trupangiga kontra sa Blackwater Bossing 105-96. Top performer si Rondi Hollis Jefferson sa likod ng kanyang 42 points, may kasamang 12 rebounds, 8 assists, 2 steals. Nagtala naman ng 18 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists si Jason Castro. Oftana 14 points, 8 rebounds. Cobontin 10 points, 3 rebounds. Montalvo 10 points, 7 assists. Para naman sa Blackwater Bossing, Chris Ortiz 25 points, 20 rebounds, 4 assists. Ray Suerte 13 points, 2 assists. Rosario 12 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists. RK Ilagan 10 points, 3 assists. James Quicote 10 points, 2 rebounds. Sa main game naman, tinalo ng San Miguel Bearmen ang Barangay Ginebra 95-82. Top performer si Chris Ross sa kanyang 22 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 steals. Don Trolliano 16 points, 6 rebounds. Jericho Cruz 16 points, 2 assists. CJ Perez 13.7 rebounds, 5 assists. Asca 10 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists. Para naman sa Barangay Ginebra, Tony Bishops 20 points, 9 rebounds, 8 steals. Ahan Misi 13 points, 6 rebounds. Malonzo 11 points, 4 rebounds. Pesomal 11 points, 1 assist. Pringle 10 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists. December 13, 2023, nakuha ng Converge Fiber Sixers ang una nilang panalo matapos pataobin ng Tira Firmo Chip sa isang overtime 103-94. Top performer si Deshaun Winston sa kanyang 17 points, 6 rebounds, 1 steal. Jamel Winston 32 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists. Aranat 14 points, 8 rebounds. Stockton 9 points, 4 assists. De Los Santos 6 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, 4 steals. Para naman sa Tira Firma Jeep, Wamit Chungson 28 points, 5 rebounds, 2 steals. Stephen Holt 14 points, 5 assists. Gomez Diliano 13 points, 12 rebounds. Ditay 12 points, 19 rebounds. Aldrich Ramos 6 points, 5 rebounds. Panalo naman ang TNT Trupangiga kontra sa Inlex Road Warriors 113-97. Top performer si Calvin Oftana sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists. Hollis Jefferson 33 points, 15 rebounds, 6 assists. Ponpirada 12 points, 5 rebounds. Kim Ayorin 11 points, 2 steals. Montalvo 7 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists. Para naman sa Inlex Road Warriors, Herndon 25 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists. Chapi 15 points, 17 rebounds. Inoch Valdez 14 points, 5 rebounds. Ganuila Rosart 14 points, 2 blocks. Robert Bolek 9 points, 4 assists. Heto ang mga larong ng December 20, 2023 nagaganapin sa Smart Arenita Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Phoenix Fuel Masters at Northport Batang Pair alas 4 ng hapon. Sa second game naman, magharap ang Magnolia Chicken Templados at Tira Firma Jeep alas 8 ng gabi. December 22, 2023, nagaganapin din sa Smart Aranita Coliseum. Magharap ang Inlex Road Warriors at Blackwater Busing alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang Meralco Bolts at Barangay Ginebra San Miguel alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Magnolia Hotshot 7 wins 1 loss. Meralco Bolts 6 wins 1 loss. Phoenix Fuel Master 6 wins 1 loss. Northport Batang Pair 5 wins 3 losses. San Miguel Bermin 5 wins 3 losses. Barangay Ginebra 4 wins 3 losses. Tinti Trupang Giga 4 wins 4 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Printers 3 wins 5 losses. Tira Perma Jeep 2 wins 5 losses. Inlex Road Warriors 2 wins 6 losses. Blackwater Busing 1 win 7 losses. Converts Fiber Sixers 1 win 7 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.